Hello YouTube, it is day 3 of me fixing up this LS1 Pontiac Firebird, and today I wanted to make sure that the car is road legal, so I went around the entire car fixing up all the headlights that needed to be replaced.
I went to the store and I bought a bunch of parts. So here we have an air filter, cheap one, STP, because it's already dusty up here, and I bought new headlights. So here's the old air filter. I'm replacing it with a cheap STP one for now, right here. It already looks miles better now. So to change it, you just remove these tabs right here, and the air filter just sits there. And air comes in through the bottom like this. See my fingers into the car. I'm going to replace the two headlights, and to do that you have to remove this piece from right here. It says remove for manual operation, because what we're going to do is we're going to open this up manually, not with the car, because with the car it turns on the light and obviously you don't want the light on. But we're going to open this manually by turning this. You spin that to the left, like, you know, counterclockwise with your finger. This opens up so that you can start replacing the headlights.
Yeah, because I don't want to touch the adjuster. Gotta adjust this.
So in this clip you might notice that the left headlight isn't fully closed. You see that gap that it has there? That is because the motor isn't functioning correctly, so it doesn't close all the way, as well as it opens really slow. So we're going to go ahead and replace that since we're here.
So I have removed these 4 bolts. I'm missing to remove this bolt right here. Oh, wrong button. That one right there. So I can remove the entire unit. I just went ahead and replaced all the bulbs in the car, and as you can see, the brake lights work. These are the reverse lights, so I can't really test that on my own right now. Let's take a look over here. See, the lights work, but what I'm missing is the turn signals, which is why we have this one off right now. I'm about to replace it right now. So this is what it looks like with the actual case over it. I will eventually replace this. I might actually replace it with clears. I was looking online to see like how much it would cost. Oh, nice, there you go. So I might end up replacing these with clears, but for now it works.